Hi, my name is Deb Walker. I work at Reinke Manufacturing. I'm the supervisor of small parts shipping, and I've worked for Reinke's for 23 years.
All right. What kinds of parts products does your department handle and ship out?
We handle all sorts of, anywhere from 1 pound to pipe. Our biggest task at hand is to figure out how to ship it, whether to have a UPS, FedEx, or freight company truck, or maybe even a trailer load of parts that we have to call a trucking company to come and pick up. During the busy season, our dealers local will come in and pick up daily, and so we pick parts for them.
When and how did you become a supervisor for the department?
Back in 2013, they added on a new addition of the warehouse, and they were going to implement a new scanning system, which it was all new to the company, so we were kind of their, they asked if I'd like to head that up and become supervisor of small parts shipping, and I said, yes, I'm on board.
Okay. Have you worked in other departments besides shipping? And if so, what one or ones?
Yes, back when I first started, back in '95, we during our slow time we used to get farmed out, and so I helped out in other areas, diversify. I went to electric shop. I worked in tires. I washed parts for weld. I pushed fab parts. It's whatever job. If you wanted to work, there was work for you to do. You just had to ask the supervisors, and they were more than willing to give you a try.
Right. With numerous constructions and new innovations across the Reinke campus since you started, how has your job changed over the years?
By adding new warehouses has made our job so much easier, because back in the day, each area used to be called like 605 or 537, and all the parts for that area was in one location, and you just had to search for wherever or ask the people that worked there where you might find that part. Well, now with the implement of the scanning system, now we have locations and our part numbers are located, and it's just made our job a lot easier when you're going into different areas to find parts.
What are the obligations your department must uphold?
Our biggest concern is when we're shipping out parts to make sure our customer receives it in the quality that we send it out, and so when other people are handling our stuff, we have packaged like electrical parts. We put bubble wrap around. We use brown paper, crinkle paper, so it can stuff, so there isn't noise when it's going down the road for the UPS or FedEx drivers.
How many orders does your department receive on a given day?
That's a good question. We're either feast to famine. We go from 30 packages, maybe orders a day. We can get up to 100 and some. It just depends. During our busy time, it seems like the printer never shuts off. So that's just, you have to be diversified to work in our area, because one day you've got a lot of things and you got everybody wanting everything, and the next day everybody's begging for that order coming through.
How heavy do some of the products your department ship out weigh?
And that's anywhere from 1 pound to pipe. We got heavy equipment. It just varies from order to order.
How many currently work in your department?
I have currently 6 employees working for me. With myself included, there's 7 of us. With all of that, we have over 100 years of Reinke manufacturing experience. So I'd say my crew is very dedicated and loyal to Reinke manufacturing.
Is there anyone in your department you worked with when you first started still there today?
Yes, I have 1 employee. He's been here 26 years. So he's been here 3 years longer than myself.
What season is your favorite during shipping?
I like the busy season, because that keeps, you're going to have a busy day, but you start the morning off, and before you know it, it's time to go home. It's just so go, 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 but it makes the day go so much faster.
Do you have any final thoughts, other statements?
And just been an honor working with Reinke Manufacturing, being part of the team. And I've always put our customers' expectations. I want to send out product like I would want to receive it and in a timely manner.
All right. Now we're going to take a look at any questions from our Facebook Live. We're going to give. All right. Seems like we don't have any questions, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this month's episode of Meet the Reinke Team.
Thank you. Have a good day.